Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook zoodles without getting soggy. First, start with firm, fresh zucchinis. This is crucial for a great texture. Next, use a spiralizer to create uniform strands, ensuring even cooking. Immediately after spiralizing, gently toss the zoodles with a pinch of salt. This simple step begins to draw out the excess moisture, preparing them for the next stage. You will notice a slight release of liquid. After salting, let your zoodles rest for about 10 minutes in a colander. This allows the salt to work its magic. You will see a significant amount of liquid accumulate in the bowl beneath. Next, gently press down on the zoodles with paper towels to squeeze out even more water. Repeat this process until the zoodles feel quite dry to the touch. This thorough drying is a critical step for achieving a perfect, firm texture. Now for the cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or avocado oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the pan is very hot, add your thoroughly dried zoodles. Stir-fry them for only about 1 to 3 minutes, just until they are slightly tender but still have a bite. Overcrowding the pan will cause the zoodles to steam, releasing more water, so cook in small batches if needed. This quick, hot sear locks in flavor. When it comes to sauces, timing is everything for non-soggy zoodles. Warm your sauce separately in another pan, then add it to the zoodles just before serving. Toss gently to coat and remove from heat immediately. Do not let them simmer together. This prevents the zoodles from absorbing too much liquid and becoming mushy. Think light pesto or a simple garlic and olive oil dressing for best results. Serve promptly after combining.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.